Yeah. Yeah. Hi guys. Good evening, all of you. Hope all of you can hear me. Anyone, guys?
Yes.
Can you? Yeah. Right.
Yes. Yeah, we
Right,
can
guys.
hear.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. So, guys, like in the last two sessions, I just started with some basic introduction of Power BI. So, if anyone has missed the last two classes, guys, don't worry. Just we have been. If anyone has joined for the today's class, don't worry about the last two classes, guys. It's only just an introduction part. Just like what is Power BI, what are the, why do you require data visualizations? And apart from that, just a small, a little bit, I have shown you some little bit practical, like it's not the main important practical implementation, but just for a small introduction part, like how to do the visualization by using coding, by using the language like Python, and by using the GUI base, by using the Power BI. So like that, I just given some basic introduction regarding the Power BI. So if you have missed the last two classes, if anyone, if you have joined for the today's class, so don't worry, I'll my backend team will anyhow share the recorded videos to you. You can just go through the recording videos and you can just understand like what has been happened in the last two classes, guys. Okay. That's it, guys. That has been happened. I didn't started with any practical also. Today also just a little bit, today, tomorrow also, it is a little bit basic introduction parts only. After that, I'm going to start with our the main course curriculum. I'm going to start with these guys. Yep. Before going to the session, guys, any questions? Anyone, if you have any questions, guys, before going to the discussions? Anyone, any questions if we have? No one? Okay. Okay, then, guys, today, once again, just a quick recap of the last two classes. Once again, just at 2 minutes. I don't want to waste more time. So what is Power BI? I think all of you have got, who has attended the last two classes. So I think you got some idea about what is Power BI. It's one of the data visualization tool. It's an GUI-based data visualization tool from Microsoft. And what is Power BI can do, guys? The Power BI can convert our raw data, whatever the raw data was there, that can be converted into a very beautiful interactive data visuals. It can convert, guys. So just raw data is going to be converted into a visuals. So why? Because basically by using some visuals, we can take some business decisions. We can understand the data. We can interpret the business data or anything, any kind of a data, and we can perform some kind of an analysis on that. And using that analysis, we can just take some kind of a business decision. So generally, what we call it as the data-driven decisions. What we can say that. So with the help of the data, we are going to take some kind of a business decisions. That is what the Power BI is meant for, guys. And I've shown you about how to do it by using Python. In Python, I have written some small 2 lines, 3 lines of code, and we created the visuals in Python. In Power BI, it is simple drag and drop. Just simple, we can drag and drop, and we can just do the data visualizations with the help of the simple drag and drop only. I just shown you just a little bit practical. I just shown you, but that is not the main course curriculum. Once again, we'll discuss again everything from the scratch, guys. Okay. So today, guys, today is going to be also some kind of an it's kind of a discussion only. Just we don't start with any main. But anyhow, it's going to be, guys, like, okay, Power BI. We have been discussing that we are going to study. We are going to learn about how to work with Power BI. Fine. But whenever you want to work with Power BI, what are the different Power BI tools are available? Which tool is used for what purpose? So we have to understand the concept, guys. So that further, just I'm giving a little bit basic introduction. So today I'm going to show you the installation of Power BI. So what Power BI software we have to install, and I will explain all those particular things, guys. Okay, fine. So coming to the Power BI, guys, mainly you can work with Power BI in 3 different modes, guys. There are Power BIs available in 3 different modes, guys. The one is what we call it as a Power BI mobile. It's an Power BI mobile, guys. It's what we can see. The name itself is saying that it's a Power BI mobile, guys. So what is this Power BI mobile? The Power BI mobile is nothing but it's a Power BI software only, but you know that it is compatible. That means it can be installed or supported only for mobile and tab. Only the mobiles and tabs only compatible version, guys. So Power BI mobile can be installed. It can be only installed from, or it can be installed for mobiles, and which is going to be only for mobiles and tabs only, we can install it, guys. So from where you have to install it, guys? Install for mobiles and tabs. From where you can install it? It is going to be from install from, which is going to be App Store. So whether it is an Apple, whether it's an Apple Store, if you are using the iPhones or if you are using any Android based, so we have to download it and install it from the Google Play Store. We have to do it, guys. So you can install the Power BI. If you have the mobiles in your hands, guys, now you can just open your Play Store or you can open your whatever the App Store, and just what you can do is check for the Power BI, guys. Just you can download it, guys. But using Power BI mobile, what we can do, guys? We cannot design any reports in Power BI mobile. Using Power BI mobile, what we can do, guys? We can only view the reports. Whatever the reports that has been developed or designed by the report developers. So using that particular, whatever the reports or whatever the visuals the report developers created, we can just view them. Only we can view the reports, guys. So they will share to a one platform. Using that particular platform, we can do that. Which reports we can view, guys? View the reports which are published by the developers. So they will be published, guys. They will be published by the developers or by the, which is going to be the report creators or the report developers. So the report developers are going to design the reports. They will create the reports and they will publish the reports. Publishing is nothing but a kind of a deployment, guys. Only those particular reports only we can view from this Power BI mobile, guys. If anybody wants, we can check it out. Open your mobiles. So install the Power BI mobile from your app store. And then you verify, open the application, guys. It will ask you one username and password. Why? Because without having that, we can't connect it. So simple to say that the application has become a very simplified, guys. For example, let us say that my manager wants, for example, every day at morning 6 a.m., my client or my manager requires a report, for example. So what I will do, guys, I will design the report and automatically everything is scheduled automatically, guys. I need not to send it manually at 6 a.m. It's going to be completely, it is going to be a kind of an scheduled report. It is going to be there. We are going to send the report. Now my manager or the client, he need not to log in from a system. He do not require any a laptop or a desktop to open the Power BI software or Power BI report. Directly from his mobile only, what he can do is at morning 6 a.m., just from his mobile only, he can view the reports, guys. So you do not require to carry any computers or any laptops. For example, my manager is going for a meeting or my client is having a meeting. So he don't require to carry any laptop or a desktop to just go for that particular meeting. Simple, if we have the mobile, that is sufficient. So why? Because whatever the report he requires, I can just deliver them. I can just publish them. He can directly access that particular published reports directly from his mobile. So if you want to access that, we have to use Power BI mobile, guys. So you can download not from the Microsoft website. You have to download from the App Store or which is the App Store or the Play Store. So which is according to the operating system what we are using, guys. But only we can view the reports, guys. We can't do any other activities. No designing can be done from the Power BI mobile. So you don't install it as of now. We need not to install it. Even if you install it also, you can't use it as of now, guys. As of now, you can't use it. Then later we'll use it, guys. Later we'll use the Power BI mobile. We'll deploy the reports and we'll make you to view the reports, everything from your mobile itself. You need not to carry any desktop. So for example, you are in, let us say you are in a traveling. So you don't have the access to your computer, but no worries. If you want to see your business reports or anything, directly open your mobile and from your mobile, you can view it, guys. The next one is Power BI Desktop. This is the main tool which we have to use in, guys. So which one we have to use, guys? It is going to be Power BI Desktop. So the name itself is saying that Power BI Desktop, guys. Where it is going to be installed? It is going to be installed in laptops and desktops, guys. Laptops and desktops. So this is the one which we have to install in, guys. From where you have to install it, guys? You have to install it from the Microsoft website. It is from the Microsoft website. You have to download it, guys. I'll show you from the Microsoft website. You can download and you have to install it, guys. That means it is nothing but laptop and desktop compatible version. Mobile and tab compatible versions are going to be Power BI mobile. Next. Using this Power BI desktop, what we can do, guys? Mainly, the main important is we can perform some kind of a designing of reports, guys. All your designing of reports and publishing of the reports, we can publish them, guys. So a little bit confusion. What is meaning of publishing? You will understand it later. It is going to be publishing of reports. So whatever the reports you have designed, you have to publish it, guys. There is one platform is there. One common platform where we have to publish the reports. From there, the reports will be delivered. So whatever the reports I designed by using Power BI desktop, if I publish them, whatever the reports I have published, those reports only we can view it from the Power BI mobile. So where to publish, I'll tell you guys. So this is the Power BI desktop. This need to be installed, guys. This is free of cost. This is going to be free of cost, guys. You need not to pay any money for that. Anybody can install it at a free of cost. Then what is the third important one, guys? So this is the one which will today will download and install it, guys. Even if you download this in your mobiles, download it and install it, but there is no use of as of now. Later we'll use it, guys. Next, the third one is nothing but what we are going to call it as the Power BI service. Even if you go to the Tableau also, guys, in Tableau also the same thing will be there. Tableau service, that is Tableau server we call it as. The Tableau server, Tableau desktop, Tableau mobile. Okay, we are going to be having this kind of an same names is the same notations will be used, guys. So there we can see Power BI mobile, Power BI desktop, and Power BI service. What is this Power BI service, guys? The Power BI service is nothing but it is a web-based service, guys. Or we can say a web-based cloud service it is going to be. So no need to install it, guys. No need to install this. So if you want to access this Power BI service, we have to open your web browser because it is a web-based service now. So we have to open your web browser and just we have to type the URL, guys, app.powerbi.com. You have to go to this particular service, guys. No installation is required, guys, because it is a web-based service. Just you have to open your browser and type app.powerbi.com. It is going to navigates to the Power BI service. What is this Power BI service, guys? Power BI service is a platform where it is going to be one of the platform, guys. It's a cloud-based platform. The platform where we are going to, where we can manage. We can also design the reports also, guys, but generally it is not recommended. Where we can manage the deployed reports, guys, or the published reports. So simple to say that we'll discuss again all these things in the later classes, guys. We are just giving some introduction regarding that. When I start with the Power BI service, again, I'll give a complete detailed information about that, the architecture and all these things we discuss. So whatever the reports we have been designed by using the Power BI desktop, first of all, what we have to do, guys, we have to publish them. Publishing means we are going to send them to that particular, we are going to deploy them. We are going to save all the reports into one common platform you are going to save in, guys. Platform where we can manage the publisher reports. From here, what we can do, guys, we can schedule the reports, we can deliver the reports. All these are going to be done from here only, guys. Delivering and which is going to be managing of the reports, all these things, access to the reports, creating of dashboards, creating of applications, all these are going to be done from Power BI service. Delivering and managing of reports, what we can do, all this we can perform by using this particular Power BI service, guys. So simple to understand. For example, let us say this, guys. We are having some various developers will be there. Like just simple to make you understand. Developer 1, developer 2, developer 3, developer 4, etc. Let us say that we have some report developers are there. Each report developer is creating some reports, guys. So how can you manage all these reports? How can you deliver all these reports? There is one common platform will be there. That platform is nothing but what we call it as the Power BI service. So what he will do, guys, developer 1, whatever the reports he is developed, he will publish to the Power BI service. A common platform, guys. A common platform. So all the developers are going to publish. They will send all the reports to the Power BI service. A Power BI service is a common platform from where we can deliver the reports. From here, we can deliver the reports. We can schedule the reports. We can send the reports to them, creating of dashboards, creating of apps. All these are going to be done from Power BI service. So these are the three different types of the products that we are going to work with them. Power BI mobile, Power BI desktop, and Power BI service. These are the three different ways we can work with the Power BI, guys. So I'll show you how to work with the Power BI service. If you want to work with the Power BI service, it is going to be something, it is going to looks like this, guys. As I said that, no, guys, app.powerbi.com. No need of installation, guys. No installation is required, guys. Just we have to connect. But whenever you guys connect it, it won't allow you to connect it. It will again ask you some username and password. It will ask you, guys. See there, guys. See there, just for an example. So these are all my, whatever the previous reports, what we have created, guys. Previously, we'll create some reports, no, guys. All that reports, whatever we created in the previous batches, batch 6 p.m., batch 5 p.m., okay, batch 11 a.m. You will be having all this kind of an application. Just I'll show you. Have a look into the application, guys. This is what we call it as an one app. It is going to be just like an application I'm going to create in, guys. Just an example, guys. Just an example to make you understand the what is going to be the reports, which we created earlier in the previous batches. The previous batches will be there, no, guys. In the previous batches, whatever we created, all those particular reports and all these things, we can see within applications. See there? So whenever I click here, it is going to do some kind of a navigation. So see there, it is going to be navigating to some particular page. So this is going to be, so what it is doing, guys, whenever I click here, do you observe carefully? When I click here, it is navigating to the DURGASOFT online. It is going to be connecting like this, guys. Isn't it? So something like this, it is going to be gets working something like this, guys. Whenever I click here, maybe something is going to happen, guys. Whenever I click here, it is navigating to one of the page, one of the report it is navigating. See there, it is just navigating from here to there. And if I click here, it is going to be navigating to some other web URL. It is navigating. So something like that, these apps has been got created, guys. So these are some reports. These are going to be some of the reports what we have been created, guys. It's not just like a dummy reports. These are all also going to be some of the reports what we can see with the data, guys. See there, guys. This is going to be some beautiful and animated way of reporting, animated report we created, guys. It's a very simple, guys. This creation of reports will just take 2 minutes of time. For me, it will take 2 minutes of time. For you also, it will take 2 minutes of time. Only thing is just we have to know how to create it. So over the time period, how the population of the countries, how the GDP has been increased, how the life expectancy has been increased, it is showing you how that particular changes has been taken place. That is the one what we can see with the report. This is what we call it as simple and animated report, what we call it as. So we'll do all these examples practically, guys. All these examples, we'll do it in the later classes, we'll do with them. So this is one which I created with the help of this Power BI service, guys. This is what we call it as an Power BI service. Using the Power BI service only, this has been got created, guys. Okay, fine. Anyhow, this is the platform where we are going to deploy the reports. Whatever the reports we have designed by using Power BI desktop. I didn't design the reports here, guys. I just only created the apps and all these things only I created, but remaining everything has been done from the, which is going to be, which has been created from the Power BI desktop only, guys. Okay. So this is your Power BI, what we can call it as, what we'll say that it's going to be the Power BI, the service, what we are going to call it as, guys. This is your Power BI service, what we are going to call it as. So see there, these are going to be some of the things. Just later we'll discuss about all these things. But you try this in your systems, guys, app.powerbi.com. It will ask you the login ID, the login username and password, it will ask you. Without that, we can't connect with that. Okay, let me close this, guys. Power BI mobile, I can't show you, guys, because we have to open the mobile and from there we have to show that. So in my system, in my mobile, I'm having, so I already connected to my account. I can view all my reports and apps directly from my mobile only. I can view it, guys. So you have to install only this one, guys. Power BI desktop is the one which we have to install. Power BI mobile, you have to install from your site into your mobiles. So today I'll just show you how to install the Power BI desktop, guys. Very easy and a very simple installation, guys. Very easy, guys. Just Power BI desktop. Okay. So I'll show you once. Have a look into that. In my system, it is already installed, guys. It is already there. I just show you how to do the installation, guys. Very simple, guys. So you can install it in multiple ways. So you can go to, which is going to be like Microsoft dot. Let us say it is going to be just a minute. Power BI dot, which is going to be Microsoft.com. You can go to the URL. You can see, guys. Power BI dot www dot the Power BI dot, which is going to be Microsoft.com, guys. See there. This is going to be the Power BI, the official website. Here we are having the various products will be there here, guys. Can you see there? It is going to be the various products we are going to be having, guys. So we can see Power BI, which is going to be desktop. Go to Power BI desktop, guys. Go to the Power BI desktop. So it will navigate here now. So we can see some kind of an advanced download options are there. Click on that. Otherwise, we can do one more thing, guys. I'll share you the link, guys. See there? This is the official page, guys. I'll share you the link. If anybody wants to install it, just you can directly click on the link and you can download it, guys. Directly what you can do, guys, you can directly click on the link and download it, guys. Otherwise, simple technique, guys. No need to do all these things. Simple, you say, which is going to be download Power BI, guys. Just go to Google and type, which is going to be download Power BI. Directly the same web page will come, guys. Just now we have seen now, guys, the same page will come. This is the official website, guys. And you can see there. So Power BI almost all sends you the update. They will update their particular product almost all for every 1 month, guys. July update, June update, August update, approximately somewhere in and around the 20th of the month. In and around 20th of the month, they will update their particular. They will add some little bit new features, guys. See there, if you see that, this is the July update, guys. 26/7/2024. Generally, we call it as a July update, guys. It will show you whenever we install the Power BI, it will clearly show you July update, June update, April update, February update. It will show you. That means for every 1 month, you have to update your Power BI software. For every 1 month, we have to update it, guys. But because for every 1 month, they will send you the updates. They will update their particular softwares. So that's why every month we have to update it, guys. See there, the current version is 2.131.1203. Let us check it out whether my system is having the same version or not. So very simple, guys. Here we have the option called as the download. Already shared you the link here, guys. Just directly click on the link. Directly you can just click on the link, guys. Already shared the link there. Just click on the link, guys. It will directly navigate to this particular link only, guys. I'm clicking on the link in the chat window. Let me close this window, guys. I'm clicking on the link. It will navigate directly to the same page, guys. See, guys, the same page which I have got in, guys. Now what you do now? Simple, you click on the download button, guys. Here we are having something called as the Power BI desktop, which is a 64-bit Power BI desktop, guys. You have to install this. Why? Because whatever the operating systems we are currently using, all of them are going to be 64-bit only, guys. So please download the 64-bit. Don't download the 32-bit. So almost all it is somewhere around 500 MB. Just it will take a few seconds of time, guys, maybe a 40 seconds, 50 seconds. Okay, just click on the download. I'm not going to show you the installation because recent update only I have done, guys. Recently, just 2 days back only I have done the update. Okay, and even it will take a little bit time for me. Why? Because it has to, new installation is very faster, guys. Whenever we are doing a fresh installation, it will be very faster. But whenever we are updating an existing one, it will take a little bit time. Okay. So I think the installation has been started. The download. Actually, it won't take that much time, guys. Maybe some other issue, maybe. It won't take that much time, guys. It is showing somewhere around 11 minutes or time, but it is not that much time. It won't take it because it's not going to take that much time, guys. Okay, so I'll do one thing. Let me cancel this. Let me cancel this once. Let me cancel. And again, let us do the download one more time, guys. Actually, it won't take that much time. Let me download once again. Let me check with my internet connection, guys. I think, yeah, my internet connection was not connected properly, guys. That is the reason why it is showing a different one. Let me connect once. Maybe I'll do one thing. Just I'm not disconnecting because my meeting may be ended, because if I change the internet connection, maybe my meeting maybe gets disconnected, guys. So nothing is there. It was connected to my extended router. That is the reason it is showing that much time. Otherwise, it won't take that much time for the implement the download, guys. So just click on the download, and just what you can do is you can download and install it, guys. It will take some time, but because it was connected to my extended one. So now I think so. Now I think it is happening. So maybe, I don't know. So it's showing 13-14 minutes of time. It won't take that much time, guys. 2 minutes of time it will take it. You can just download and install it. I'm just canceling this, guys. I'm just canceling this because I don't want to waste the time. So installation is very easy, guys. Though I'm not showing the installation, you guys can do the installation, guys. Just double click on the software, whatever the software that is installed. Just double click on that. Recently only, guys. Recently only I have just downloaded. Even it may be there. Maybe I have deleted. Even it may be there in my recycle bin, guys. See there. This is my software, guys. This is my software. What we can see, guys. This is one. So if you can see, this is the one which I have deleted. Just today only I have deleted at 1 o'clock. So this is the one, guys. So Power BI desktop setup x64.exe file. So just recently only in the afternoon only, I just cleaned up all my the old installations and all these things. I just deleted. So no worries. Just you guys can do the installation. It's very easy, user friendly, guys. You need not too much worry about that. So just double click on that and just install it. If you guys having any issue, let me know. I will just tell you how to solve the problem, guys. 99.99%, guys. No, without having any issue, the software will be gets installed. So once the software is installed, guys, on your desktop, you can see this one, what we can call it as Power BI desktop. See clearly, Power BI desktop, guys. So what you have to do, guys, just double click on that. It is going to launch your application, guys. Just double click to launch the application, guys. Just I double clicked on that and you can see. Let me verify whether I have what version I have been and what update is there. Let me verify this, guys. So this is your Power BI desktop, guys. So see, guys, this is your how the home screen is going to looks like this. So what you have to do, guys, first step we have to do is nothing to do. Directly click on a blank report, guys. Don't select any one of them. Just click on the blank report. Just click on the blank report, guys. So this is your working environment and whatever the environment in which we have to work with Power BI. So learning Power BI is a GUI base. Where to write the code? No need to write the code, guys. Everything is going to be GUI based. So if I click here, what will happen? If I click here, what will happen? If I click here, what will happen? So if I want to do this operation, what I have to do? So that's it, guys. Just we have to know the navigational part. Nothing to write the notes, guys. Nothing to write the notes. Even if you want to write the notes also, how to write your notes, guys? Nothing will be there. Just if you want to write the notes, how to read the data from a CSV file. So how to write the notes, guys? There is no logic, there is no program. From home ribbon, we have to write like this, guys. From home ribbon. So we have to just click on what we have to do. Click on which is going to be get data. Click on get data. And whenever we said which is going to be get data, so what we have to do? Click on which is going to be text or CSV file. After that, what we have to do? After that, what we have to do, guys? Select the required file, whatever the file is there, required file. And then which is going to be click on load. Click on which is going to be load. That's it, guys. You have to write, if you want to write the notes, we have to write the notes like this only, guys. See there, from the home ribbon, I want to read the data, guys. From the home ribbon, this is home ribbon, guys. Click on the get data. Click on text or a CSV file. We have to select the file, whatever the file you want to read. You have to just select the file, guys. Just click on open. It will preview the data. After previewing the data, it will preview the data, guys. After previewing the data, we have to just click on the load, guys. Data will be loaded. Done, guys. That's it, guys. That is going to be how to work with it. That's why learning Power BI is a very easy, guys. Learning Power BI is going to be very, very easy. But don't expect that simply if you learn just for 2 months and 3 months of time, can I get a job as I already explained you guys. There are not only that we have to get a job on Power BI. There are different roles are there who requires the data visualization, the expertise. So data engineers, data analysts, data science people. So I was into the data science, guys. So as I was an expert in data science, I know the importance of data, importance of visualizations. So we'll use a lot of visualization. Without the visualizations, data science cannot be implemented. So really, we will consume the reports. We know the importance of the reports. We use a lot of data sets we are going to be using. So that is the reason, whoever just attends my sessions, so they will get a little bit more practical knowledge because I use a lot of extra things. So not only because I'm almost all having 20 years of experience, I uses all my different skills. SQL knowledge skills I'll uses, Power BI skills, data analysis skills, Python skills, R skills I can use, I can show them, some kind of a cloud. So you will get a lot of experience, guys. A lot of really just not straight for our concept is not only with Power BI. It's a generalized in and around Power BI. What will happen? What are the other things also we have to know? All those things also I'm going to discuss it in the practical approaches, guys. So that's it, guys. This is how to create a report. And just creating a report is very easy, guys. Everything is a simple drag and drop only. Nothing to do with an example. So just I'm dragging and dropping, which is going to be the legend. And I'm just dragging and dropping the whatever the values you require, guys. Simple and easy. Simple and easy, guys. So if you can see, everybody can understand this report, guys. These are the cars models. SC, SCS, SCL is the three models of cars. The blue color is nothing but the SC model cars. Out of the total cars, 78 cars are SC model cars, which is contributing 52% of the total number of cars. Total 150 cars are there, guys. In the 150, 78 contributes approximately 52%. 50% is 75, 78, right? 52%. And the SCS, the orange color is nothing but SCS, which is 49, almost all 1/3. Because 150 divided by 3 is 50. Almost all it is 49, 32.67%. And this one is going to be 15.33% of 23. So if I add up all these values, we'll get 150. If you add up all these percentages, we have to get 100%. We have to get in, guys, right? So that is what is going to be happens as of this. That's in, guys. Simple drag and drop, nothing to do with that. So this is how we have to create the visuals, guys. But how to share this visual, guys, to your client? We have to publish the report. Unless and until you don't publish, nobody can access your reports, guys. So here we can see clearly there is an option called as an publish is there. Just if you want to see, I'll show you, guys. This is going to be published. Okay, I don't want to show you. Why? Because we have to save the report and all these things. If you want to publish, we have to save the report. Right now, I'm not saving the report, guys. So anyhow, this is how we have to work with them, guys. I'm not saving the report. So nothing to write, just you have to listen, guys. Just go through the navigation. You have to practice it. If you want to remember the navigation, guys, you have to just practice it. Nothing to by heart. So don't by heart like from the home ribbon. I have to click here. I have to click here. Just whenever we see the information, whatever the environment, we should know where to click. If I click this, what will happen? If I want to do this, where we have to click and how to work on this. Just we have to understand the options there only. That is what the GUI basic says that. Programming languages are different, guys. Every day I'll write a program, note down the program, type the same program in your system, run the program. But here it is not like that. Navigation. If you miss any one of the steps, you don't know what to do with that. So we should not miss any code here, guys. We should not miss any navigation here now. Each and every step you have to understand. Each and every step you have to remember. If you want to remember that, regular practice. As I said that, right? One day, 1 hour, attend the session, guys. 1 hour, practice it. That's it. Within just 2 months of time, you can become an expert in Power BI. So this is what the different types of tools are there. Okay, let me check it out first of all. Let me first of all check it out. Which update I have installed the Power BI, guys. Let me again open Power BI. Power BI desktop again. Let me open. Let me open Power BI. And here you can see 2.131.1203, right? This is the latest version, and you can see, guys, when the data has been published, when that particular date was published on 26th of April, 26th of July. It's already 4 or 5 days back. Okay, come here. Let me open the Power BI blank report. Here we are having something called as an help menu is there. Go to the help menu, guys. Here we have something called as an about. Generally, we all of you know, guys, for every software, they will show you what is whatever the version what we are using, guys. See there, 2.131.1203.0 64-bit, and it is clearly showing me as a July update. In July, 2 updates are there, guys. Almost all in July 5th or something, approximately they released 1 update, and this one is the latest update which we have seen, guys. So this is an update what we can see that. Got the point, guys? So I have updated with the latest version only, 2.131.1203. The same thing, it is going to showing the same version as it is. So the latest version only without having any issue. So you also guys can install the same software and same version, but every 1 month you have to update them, guys. Whenever there is an update, it will show you. You need not to know about that. There is an updates will be there. Even if you want to get the updates, guys, go to YouTube. Go to YouTube, guys. There is a channel for the Power BI updates, guys. So go there and simply what you do, guys, select the option here, guys. What is an option we have to select, guys? Select the option called as an Power BI update, guys. So select the option called as an Power BI update. See there, July 2024 update is there. July 2024 update was there, guys. Just what you do is, see, I already subscribed to the channel. You guys also can subscribe to the channel, guys. So this is an official, the official channel from Microsoft only, guys. So Microsoft Power BI, it is completely maintained by the Microsoft itself, guys. All updates will be there. So you can just go through the updates, guys. They'll give you a clear updates now. So what are the new features they have been added? So what are the features they have been added? If there is any new features, any change in the features, all these things they will explain, guys. 1 or 2 updates will be there, guys. 1 or 2 updates will be there. Just we have to study those particular concepts, guys. See there, these are going to be the some of the things what we are talking about that. Okay. So see there, these are going to be the options, guys. Fine. So that's it. That is going to be the one of the updates, whatever you want to see. So every month there will update will be there. If you subscribe for the channel, it is going to be. I already subscribed it. You can see the subscriptions. Whenever a new updates will be there, immediately you will get the notifications, guys. Done, guys. So this is the one what we have to do, guys. So please install the Power BI software and just subscribe to the Power BI update channel, guys. Every month we'll get the update from the Microsoft, so that you can update your software. Not only that, even whenever we open the Power BI software, guys, whenever there is any new update is there, at the bottom it will show you that there is a new update is there. So click to download the new update. Then you can click on that, automatically download will be done and we can install the software. Right, guys? So this is about the how we have to install the Power BI software, guys. So Power BI mobile, you can view the reports. Power BI desktop, where we can design the reports. Power BI service, where we can manage all the publisher reports. So all the delivering of reports, creating of which is going to be apps, creating of dashboards, all these things will be done from the Power BI service. Main work is from Power BI service only, guys. Simple, guys, design them and manage them. That's it. Designing is done from Power BI desktop. All the management will be done from which is going to be nothing but Power BI service. That is going to be mainly the 3 different platforms where we can work with the Power BI, guys. Right, guys? Hope all of you can download and you can install the software. So please install the software, guys. So tomorrow I'm going to explain a little bit like what is a project life cycle and how how the projects are going to be gets developed. What are the different stages are there? All these things we are going to work with them, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's class, guys. Just for today, I'll stop it here. So anyhow, we have a time. Just today and tomorrow, we just complete off all the demos, guys. Hoping all of you have attended the last 2 or 3 classes are there. So maximum by tomorrow we'll end up the demos, guys, and from May we'll start with the regular classes. And the guys who want to go ahead with the course, the training program, please complete your registration process. I think already you have seen already the messages which has been posted from my backend team. And also we'll get an follow-up mail to your mails also if we have given the proper mail ID. So they will give you all the details about them, how to the payment process and all these things. So once you get the registered, guys, you will get access to the Google Drive where you have all the data sets. We'll get all the data sets, guys. Main important is data sets. So once you registered for the course, we'll get the access to the drive. And from there, you can get the data sets, guys. Data sets, materials, PDFs. Okay, everything is going to be provided in the Google Drive and we can access them, guys. So maximum tomorrow will be the last demo class. And after that, we have to register for the course. Once you registered only, we'll get the link from the Mondays onwards. Tomorrow you can attend, guys. Tomorrow you can attend free of cost. Tomorrow's class is a free class only. So from Monday onwards, the link will change, guys. Meanwhile, if you want to go ahead with the course, you please register for the course by paying the required fees amount of 5,000, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's class from my side. Anyone, guys? Any questions from anyone? Anyone, guys? Any questions?
Sir, like as we see in Microsoft Word, if we see older version, if I'm creating a any document in a newer version of Word and we open it in an older version, like
Mhm.
alignment and all gets diverted. In
Okay.
case of Power BI, if I downloaded Power BI 5 years back, I worked on so many reports and
Okay.
projects,
Okay.
and as we know, came to know that every month it is updates are coming.
Mhm.
So will it leave any impact on my older reports?
Generally, older reports means maybe means that means what will happen here is generally what in Power BI what they will do is generally whenever a new update comes they will add a new feature but does not remove the old feature. Okay, or they may not disable the old features. That's why due to that what may happen here is maybe not all of them. See, whenever you open a new feature from an old version, then that may be a problem. There may be a problem. But when you open an old file with a new version, maybe you may not be having any problem. For example, you are using a very old version of Power BI, as you're saying that 5 years back. For example, if I give my Power BI file to you, maybe if you try to open, some of the functionalities may not work in your Power BI applications. That's why regularly what we will do is we'll generally update that. But obviously there is a version difference will be there, obviously. But generally, whenever we open an old one with a old file with a new version, you may not have a problem. But if you open a new version file with the old file, then there is going to be a problem is going to come. That is what generally it is going to happen.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. Right. Any others, guys? Any others? If you have any questions. Right. Okay, then that's it for the today's class, guys, from my side. And I'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Guys. Same link tomorrow. From Monday onwards, the link will change, guys. So before that, you have to get registered for the course for the Monday's class. But tomorrow I'll see you with the same time at the same link, with the same link and same time. And tomorrow also I'll just give you some life cycle, how the projects will be, how the report development will be done, and how the management will be done in the real time. So that we'll get to idea. So like what is the cycle of learning, how we are going to do all these things, we'll get to know about that. And then we can start with our main implementation from the Monday's class, guys. Okay. So thanks for today and we'll meet up in the tomorrow's class. Thanks all of you guys.